Good morning, everyone. Myself Neelima, working as an assistant professor in the Department of CSC, School of Engineering and Technology, Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalayam. Today, I am going to give a lecture on the subject Design and Analysis of Algorithms, which the BTech students studied in the third year, first semester. Coming to the introduction, an algorithm is a set of steps of operations to solve a problem, the performing calculation, data processing, and automated reasoning tasks. An algorithm is an efficient method that can be expressed within finite amount of time and space. These two things are very important while writing an algorithm. The important aspects of algorithm design, which includes to create an algorithm which includes to solve a problem in an efficient way of using the time and space. To solve a problem, different approaches can be followed. Some of them can be efficient with respect to time consumption, whereas some other approaches may be related to the memory efficient. Next, we need to go for what is the need of an algorithm. To understand the basic idea of problem. Next, to find an approach to solve the problem. How we are improving the efficiency of existing techniques. The fourth one is to understand the basic principles of designing the algorithms. The fifth one is to compare the performance of algorithm with respect to other techniques. The sixth one is it is the best method of description without describing the implementation detail. The seventh one is the algorithm gives a clear description of requirements and goal of the problem to the designer. A good designer can produce a good solution and to understand the flow of the problem. Coming to the properties of algorithm, to evaluate an algorithm we have to satisfy the following criteria. The 5 things we need to consider is input, output, definiteness, finiteness and effectiveness. Input means whether algorithm should be given 0 or a more number of inputs. Algorithm means at least one quantity should be produced while implementing the algorithm. Definiteness means each instruction should be clear and unambiguous. Finiteness means if we want to write an algorithm, we need to write the instructions. The instructions should be terminated at some point. The termination should decide the number of steps. And the last one is the effectiveness. Every instruction must be very basic so that it can be carried out in principle by a person using only pencil and paper. Coming to the algorithm, a well-defined computational procedure that takes some value or set of values as input and produces some values as an output. Written and pseudocode can be implemented in any programming language. Pseudocode is a notation resembling a simplified programming language. In this one, the left side denotes the pseudocode. The right side will denotes the algorithm. Algorithm means step by step we need to write to solve the problem. This algorithm we have written to find out what is the largest value number in the given numbers. Check with the condition step 3. If A is greater than B, then we will go for step 4. Otherwise, it will go to step 5. In the step 4, we will go through the checking the condition A greater than C. If it is true, then it will print A is the largest. Otherwise, it will print C is the largest. In the same way, we will check with the step 5 also. So, this is the way how we will write an algorithm to solve a problem. Here we are writing an algorithm for finding out the largest number among 3 numbers. What is the differences between algorithm and program? At design phase, we will show the algorithm. At implementation phase, the program should be implemented. Algorithm is a natural language. Program means it will written in any programming language. Algorithm person should know the steps, and at the programmer side it should know the domain knowledge. Algorithm should analyze, the program should be tested. So this is the simple way of how we are writing an algorithm and what is the differentiations between the algorithm and program. Thank you.